Okay, so here's how I set up a page for my prayer journal. So I started, let's see. There we go, December 25th. So I have a little lettering there, so you can just do that whenever. Write the date and then the verse, and then you can make a cool little design with it. But these are a few days that I had. So what I do is I write everything down, and then over here I write like the day after, like what happened, the result. If something, whenever I feel that prayer is answered, then I write down the date and then what actually happened. And our praise are just things we're thankful for, and then truth is just like something from the devotional or just some cute little quote I wanted to include. So I'm just going to go ahead and write December up here, because that is how I'm doing December in the right-hand corner. But of course you can do it anywhere. DCM. Okay, and then I'm just gonna leave that date blank because I don't know when I'll be back. I try to do it daily, but sometimes it's like every 2 days, and then when school starts, it'll probably be like every week, so who knows. Okay, but December, and then right over here in this corner, and of course I make it like a little bit less than half, so probably like thirds is what I make it into, but you could do however much you want. I'm gonna move this one up a little bit from last week. So we have our praise, and then our truth is just in line with that.
You need to get your room.
And that is how it looks. Sorry, my mom's talking. But it's okay. So that's how I set it up, and then I would write the date right here, and then I usually draw like a cute little picture up there or something, whatever design I'm feeling, you know. And that's it. So I write my prayers over here, and then usually a line. So like this is a blue, so I drew a blue line, you know. It's cute. And then the answered prayers over here, and then usually 3 things I'm thankful for, but it always ends up being more. And then a cute little quote or something. This one is, if you don't stand firm in your faith, you won't stand at all. So just like little things like that, or a verse, something to go over there. And that's it.